Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add song from TikTok to Spotify. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Anybody that uses TikTok knows that certain songs have become monumental hits because of the platform. You'll be scrolling through your feed and hear the same song over and over because so many people have added it as a background to their videos. A lot of marketing strategies are now even relying on these trending audios to go viral. It definitely works as even Sirius XM has a TikTok radio station, and chart-topping hits have been widely circulated on TikTok as they become popular. So if you hear a song on a video that you're obsessed with, how can you listen to it more? You probably can hear the same 50-second clip over and over again if you're scrolling through your feed, but you can also add it to your Spotify playlist to keep listening when you are not scrolling. So how to do it is so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can just, if you find audio that you like, you want to add to your Spotify, you can just tap on the audio or the song and you'll find there is an option add to Spotify. You can just tap on that. So before that, you have to make sure that you have installed your Spotify to your TikTok to your phone. Now we can link the TikTok to your Spotify account. You can tap on agree. So after that, you can just add this song to your Spotify, like this one too. Maybe tap on add to. Now you have added. So simple, right? So the song will be appear on your like song on your Spotify. So that is how to add song from TikTok to Spotify. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.